Alright, here go another quick repair video on these older Craftsman lawnmowers. If you have one like it, one of these Briggs Strattons 625 series, then this could be helpful for your lawnmower too. You got the same style. I had the control cable brake, or the one that goes right here that makes the brakes come on and off to stop the engine. If you still have the factory part, then you can get a part number off of it, which is right here. It's not focusing, but the part number will be 183281. And then once you get that, you can order up online that same part number. Just look it up. I got mine from this place, but so it's the same part number, 183281. Then all you gotta do is just take your old one off. And put this in first. Loop it in, push this down until it clicks in. Pull the cable up. Put this piece in, the hole, and then snap the little clip in on the bar. Okay, and wiggle it. And there you go. Put it in and you can test it out. I'm gonna pull the handle to see if it will. That's the handle pulled all the way down, so you see it works. And that's all you need to do to replace that. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.